I'm Nina, your host. Today, we'll explore cybersecurity and data privacy, two big words that protect little learners. So joining me today are teacher April and parent Melody. So, mayong hapon sa inyong duha. So karon, we will talk about the importance of cybersecurity and data privacy. So teacher April, what can you say about cybersecurity in simple terms?
Hi, Nina. Cybersecurity simply means protecting computers and information from hackers or unauthorized users.
Thank you, Miss April. So now let's hear from the side of our parent, Melody, about data privacy.
So, ang data privacy mao ang hustong pag-atiman or pag-proteksyon sa personal na information sa mga bata. Like, sama sa ilang pangalan, litrato, o mga school records.
Exactly. In classrooms, we use apps and online platforms. These help with learning, but we must be careful about how we store or share student information. So April, what can you say about that?
That's right. Teachers should always use strong password and avoid posting students' pictures online without consent.
Very well, teacher April. So, Ma'am Melody, what can you say about that?
So, sa mga ginikanan, dapat usap mag-check sa ilang mga bata, like sa mga app nga paggamiton sa ilang mga anak, o magtudlo kanila nga dili maambit sa ilang personal nga information online.
Well, what they said, or what they have said is true, you know? Kay karon is, internet is everywhere, right? So, good teamwork between home and school really makes a difference. When we protect data, we protect trust. So I hope all information will give the viewers, young learners, teachers, and also the parents an idea about what really cybersecurity and data privacy means. So thank you, teacher April, and also Ma'am Melody. So up next, content safety, protecting young minds